Welcome to Origami Studio. This DVD is called Story-gami, and Michael LaFosse has written a Story-gami that will help you learn how to fold these penguins. You will need a piece of origami paper that's white on the other side. This story takes place on a big beautiful iceberg floating off the edge of Antarctica, a continent at our South Pole covered with ice. This magnificent iceberg was given the name the Big White Diamond because it glistened like a dazzling gem in the bright Antarctic sunshine. 3 happy penguins lived on the edge of the Big White Diamond. Let me introduce them. The first penguin was named Viola. One of my aunts was also called Viola, a beautiful name indeed. Let's fold each of the lower edges of the Big White Diamond inward to form the letter V for Viola. On each side, fold over a little more of the paper near the top and almost nothing near the bottom. See if you can balance the amount of black that shows on each side. Try to make the narrow points of each black triangle form a point at the base of the Big White Diamond. Now we have a wonderful V for Viola. Our second penguin's name was Walter. Guess how I can change the large V into a W for Walter? That's right, we simply fold the bottom of the large V up part way to form the letter W. This is an example of a rat fold. R-A-T means right about there. You don't need to measure it, just aim for a point about halfway to an imaginary line connecting the tops of the V. Great. The third penguin in our story is named Michael. Do you know anybody named Michael? I do. It's easy to make an M by simply turning our W upside down. One day, Viola and Walter noticed that Michael was missing. It turned out that Michael had gone on vacation. Michael had traveled to the other side of the Great White Diamond, out of sight from Viola and Walter. Michael went to a small iceberg situated in the shadow on the other side of the Great White Diamond. He had heard that the minnows were particularly delicious at this small iceberg named Minnieburg. Michael was thoughtful. He sent Viola and Walter a picture postcard of his wonderful vacation spot. Here is his postcard. The scene is often called Minnieburg at midnight because the shadow of the large iceberg is so dark it always looks like midnight. Viola and Walter loved the postcard of Minnieburg at midnight and folded it in half just like this to keep it in a drawer with their other postcards. They would take it out and look at it the next time they were to plan a vacation. When Michael returned, he was very tired from his trip and promptly went to sleep with his beak tucked down close to his front feathers. After his long rest, he woke up and began to look for food. Pull outward on his beak like this and adjust the angle by pinching his head behind his ears. My Aunt Viola used to pinch my ears too.